Most realistic paint replacement. VViViD Vinyls presents the newest evolution in vinyl wrap technology. Our Ultra Gloss range is the result of years of research and development, culminating in an almost mirror-like gloss that is virtually indistinguishable from a factory paint job. Premium features. To achieve the Ultra Gloss look, VViViD redesigned every aspect of car wrap vinyl from the ground up. The result is a range of films packed with new technologies to create a stunningly beautiful finish. Conventional vinyl wraps can look good, but Ultra Gloss takes it to the next level. Nano Air-Release Technology. Air release channels built into vinyl adhesive can sometimes create irregularities in the surface, making for a less glossy finish. VViViD's Ultra Gloss films are the only vinyls that utilize a micro air release pattern so finely engineered that the result is an almost glass-like finish. Stretchable protective cap. Unlike other vinyls, VViViD's Ultra Gloss comes with a protective film that stretches with the vinyl, so you don't have to remove that protective layer until the installation is complete, reducing the risk of scratches and scuffs. VViViD Ultra Gloss vinyls are ready to use right out of the box, no liquids or messy, toxic chemicals needed. For the car enthusiast who demands next-level refinement, with beautiful colors and textures, look no further. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect color match for my green Toyota. The paint on my door handles was chipping and coming off, so I wanted to cover it, and this vinyl works beautifully. I have a green Toyota with a slight color shift, so I was worried this would not be a perfect match, but it is perfect. The vinyl heat seals and covers so easily around edges. I do recommend watching a tutorial if you have never wrapped before. It can be tricky for those who haven't done it before. Will definitely return to this brand for any future vinyl needs.